In today's video, I'm going to show you how to insert a YouTube video in PowerPoint in just a few simple steps. This is a great way to make your presentations more engaging, whether you're teaching a class, creating a business pitch, or adding a demo to your slides. If you want to save time and learn a quick PowerPoint trick, this tutorial is for you. And before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials every week. Alright, let's get started. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and go to the slide where you want the YouTube video to appear. Once you're on the correct slide, look at the top menu and click the Insert tab. This is where PowerPoint keeps all the tools for adding media, objects, and other elements to your slides. After that, find the video option, click it, and then choose online video from the drop-down menu. This tells PowerPoint that you want to add a video from the internet instead of a file saved on your computer. Now open YouTube in your browser and find the video you want to insert. Copy the video link from the address bar. Make sure you copy the full URL so PowerPoint can recognize it properly. Go back to PowerPoint and paste that YouTube link into the box that appears. Once the link is pasted, PowerPoint will check the video and prepare it for insertion. After that, click Insert. Give it a moment and the YouTube video will appear directly on your slide. You can then resize it, move it around, and place it exactly where you want it to fit your layout. If needed, you can also adjust the slide design around the video so it looks clean and professional. This is especially useful if you want to create a more interactive presentation without leaving PowerPoint. And that's it. You've now inserted a YouTube video into PowerPoint in just a few clicks. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another simple tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.